Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So Volkswagen Touran 1.6 TDI BlueMotion Tech SE DSG automatic stop-start 7-seater, low mileage, 2 owners, 33,000 miles, cam belt replaced at 22,000 miles. Serviced at 8, 13,000, 17, 20, 22, 25, 28 and 31,000 miles. Wow, amazing service history. It's actually a demonstrator plus 1 owner. It's £10,995. It drives like a brand new car. What a beautiful, beautiful thing. Demo plus 1 owner, low mileage, cam belt done, mega serviced. 10,995. Reflex silver metallic, has a VW tow bar fitted from new. It has never had a trailer put on it. The original black paintwork is still on the ball. Rear park sensors, front park sensors, alloy wheels, aluminium roof rails, privacy glass, 7 seats. Front park sensors, front fog lamps. Lovely and clean throughout. Now this car has cruise control and self-parking, multifunction leather steering wheel, tyre pressure monitoring. I can't believe how well this drives for a 1.6. It is super responsive, goes really, really well, probably because it's had a cam belt and it's been over serviced. Seven seats, obviously in a beautiful condition. As I say, tow bar, that's never seen a trailer. It is a VW tow bar as well, says Varg on it. Fitted from new. Doesn't look like it's ever had an ounce of paintwork in its life. So yeah, it has the self-parking assistant, front and rear park sensors, 33,787 miles, automatic lights, cruise control, air conditioning's freezing, automatic. Down there are your buttons for your self-parking, park sensors, tyre pressure monitoring, etc. Fitted mats throughout, picnic tables, rear seats. So very, very, very nice, low mileage Touran 1.6 diesel, 10,995. 2014 on a 64 plate. Latter part of 2014 registered, demonstrator plus 1 owner from new, cam belt replaced. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we have produced over the last 10 years. They're all on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a little notification to your phone or tablet or iPad. Every time we have a fresh vehicle come onto our stock list, you will be one of the first people in the country to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.